Okay, so this is a generative music app to help you when you are yogging or jogging or something. So basically, what this is going to do is going to take a initial fitness level, like self-determined, maybe about there somewhere, and then allow you to specify the duration of your yogging workout. So we'll do a very quick one here. So for this to work, I'm going to need you all to stand up. Stand up. Very good, very good. And we're going to go for a run, okay? So we're going to generate some music for our run and have at it. Okay? So we're going to start off quite easy. Just starting off, we're doing a little workout. Generative music, yeah, really good. It's not beeps. It's not just beeps. And in a minute, well, in a few seconds, go any time now. 10 seconds is really a long time. Oh, we're going. Go on. We're going. Running. Much quicker now. Yes, because we're doing this. This is the fartlek system, which I didn't make up, I promise. It's on Wikipedia. And yeah, so you run real fast for a bit, and eventually we're going to slow down. Whew. So we slow down. And this is our warm down phase. So that's basically it. Thank you very much for participating.